Let's look at how we compare ratios. The first ratios to compare are 2 to 3 versus 4 to 5. 2 to 3 versus 4 to 5. Comparing ratios is so easy. Our first step is to changing the ratios to fractions. And to change the direction to fraction, the first one becomes the, let's see this one, to fraction. This first one becomes the numerator, and this one becomes the denominator. So 2 to 3 will be 2 over 3, and then 4 to 5, this one will become the numerator, and this one denominator. So we have 4 over 5. So we can compare to 2 thirds and 4 over 5. The first method, we can use the LCM. Like 2 thirds here and 4 over 5. The LCM is 15. The LCM is 15. Since the LCM is 15, this 3 over 5 will be not 3 over 5 plus 2 thirds. The 2 thirds will be LCM is 15. So the 2 thirds will be 3 goes to here. 3 goes to here 5 times. 5 times 5, it will be 10 over 15. And the 4 over 5 will be 5 goes to here 3 times. 4 over 5 will be 3 there. We'll have 12 over 15. So since the denominators are the same, we compare the numerators. And from this, we can see that 12 is larger than 10. So 4 over 5 is larger than 2 over 3. So 2 to 3 should be less than 4 to 5. 2 to 3 should be lesser than 4 to 5. But you can also find the LCM, not the LCM. Apart from the LCM, you can just find the decimals, which is the easiest, converting them to decimals. Like these two thirds to decimals will be 2 divided by 3, which is 0.6. 0.6, that's a recurring decimal, 0.6. Then 4 divided by 5, 0.8. You can see converting them to decimal is the easiest, and you can see that 4 over 5 is the same as 4 to 5, is still the largest. So the greatest is 4. Greatest. For the second one, let's compare 1 to 3, 3 to 5, and 5 to 8. Now, you already know that the first step of comparing ratios, we have to transform them or change them into fractions, and then we can either use the LCM or turn them to decimals and compare. So in this case, in 1 to 3, the first number will be the numerator, and the second will be the denominator. And then in 3 to 5, the first number will be the numerator, the second will be the denominator. In 5 to 8, the first number will be numerator, the second one will be the denominator. Now let's turn them into decimals and find which one is the greatest. Now that will be 1 divided by 3, which will be 0.33 recurring, 0.3333, which is recurring. Second one will have 3 divided by 5, which is 0.6. 0.6. Yeah, 0.6, and this for significant figures is enough. Then 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. Now from these decimals, we can see that the greatest is 5 to 8. The greatest is 5 to 8. So let's write here 5 to 8 is the greatest. 5 to 8 is the greatest. For the second one, let's compare 1 to 3, 3 to 5, and 5 to 8. Now, you already know that the first step of comparing ratios, we have to transform them or change them into fractions. Second one, for the second one, two friends, Alex and Ben. Alex and Ben are training for marathon. During our practice session, Alex runs 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers in 50 minutes, while Ben runs 12 kilometers in 55 minutes. Now, the first part, express each runner's pace as a ratio of minutes to kilometers. Minutes to kilometers. So for Alex, we'll have minutes is 50 minutes here. Then kilometers is 10. So this will give us this is we cancel this 0 and this 0. This will give us 5 to 1. And then for Ben, we'll have a minutes is 55, and then kilometers is 12. And when we simplify that one, that is like 55 over 12. Yeah, 55 to 12. Can we simplify it? 12 over 12. Oh, let's do it that way. And then let's go to number B. Based on the ratio, who was the faster pace? Now here, we are going to compare 51 versus 55 to 12. If we compare ratios, we change them to fractions, and then we can change them to decimals to compare. So this one into fraction will be 5 over 1, and it will be versus 55 over 12. So if we change them to decimal, it will just be 5 divided by 1, which will give us just 5 kilometers per hour. And this one will give us 55 divided by 12. It will give us 4.58 kilometers per hour. So in this case, the faster pace is the one that takes a lesser time, and so the faster pace is 4.58 kilometers per hour. So 4.5 per hour means that's Ben is faster. Yes, Ben is faster.